Imagine your doctor prescribing heroin for a cough. Unbelievable today, but in the late 1890s it was a reality. Bayer marketed heroin as a wonder drug, promoted as a non-addictive substitute for morphine. It was sold over the counter for everything from coughs to colds. The name heroin was even chosen to sound heroic. But the miracle cure quickly became a nightmare. By the early 1900s, cases of severe addiction skyrocketed, revealing heroin was even more addictive than morphine. The drug was eventually banned, becoming a cautionary tale. It's a stark reminder of how far medicine has come and the dangers of a so-called wonder drug.